Hi everyone, I'm Silvia Martins, CEO of Five Validation, with over 20 years of experience in computer system validation. Welcome to our channel. We've created this video series to share valuable insights and answer to some of our clients' most common questions. Here, you'll find a quick and practical validation tips tailored for life science industries. Subscribe now and stay updated on digital validation, compliance, AI/ML validation, IT and OT infrastructure qualification, SAP validation, cybersecurity, data integrity, and more. So, let's dive into today's topic. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence and machine learning transform the life science industry. However, with innovation comes responsibility. How can you ensure that these technologies are compliant in regulated environments? Meet Alex, a dedicated professional in the life science field. Alex team is eager to implement AI/ML solutions, but is concerned about meeting regulatory standards. That's where our specialized lectures come in. Through focused customized sessions, we break down complex regulation to practical steps, empowering teams like Alex to validate AI/ML systems. Our trainings cover topics such as applying the M5 concept to AI/ML validation, understanding and managing risks, ensure that integrity and learning from real-world examples in the life science sector. By the end of our training, your team will not only understand the regulations, but they will also have the confidence to apply them in their projects. Ready to empower your team and stay ahead in the industry? Contact us today to customize the lecture content tailored to your organization's needs. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, scan the QR code or click in the link in the description to read our page about the topic, empowering your team with the expert AI/ML validation lecture, which is packed with insights. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.